this one. Listen. This year is ending, COVID still hitting, people living like nothing's wrong. So much rules, restrictions, local conditions, we're jailed for far too long. It is time we understand the culture we have in our island. It no matter where we be, we always ready for our party. Local them weekends, everybody them on the street. Halloween and World Series, the local base passion police. Vanessa say all we para tu fiesta te otro allá. So when we canta donde hay no pay, mi pagara digital mi lo va a encender. Ding ding dong, Aruba Watate. Imagine that. Pew pew. Go on, yeah. Ding ding dong, Aruba Watate. Listen, this more. Kazi, Luz, Bariba, Maka, and Young Fleming, the places we gon' miss this year. Bottom Hill, again, Wara, them they be dark like San Nicolas Hotel. But mi pueblo, don't worry, we have the solution for we. If toque de queda, tráfico, sit down at home, enjoy the blue light show. Listen, my Aruba, don't worry, we got your back. This year is different for sure. Vraag en aanbod got them for you. Take your order today so you can get your package too. We got vuurpijl and Donderbos. You lit them up, they sound like them Bluetooth. Ding ding dong, Aruba Watate. Imagine that. Pew pew. Get up a ring, bobblongs. Ding ding dong, Aruba Watate. Now all jokes aside, we come to realize what we gonna celebrate. It is the birth of Christ our Savior, so don't let that be in vain. The season of love and harmony, the best place to be is family. So if they say don't go outside, warm up and sing, oh holy night. Listen to shi pueblo, decorate your home inside. If your children ask you why, tell them it is the way of life. Even though it's hard to explain what we have to do, but as our men press always say, this too shall pass, no starving say.